It's 3:30 in the afternoon, and this is how I'm digging out from the storm. It's my neighbor's 15-year-old, Kyle, and he's got a blower. And he's working a snowblower, and that's how I'm digging out of this storm. How cool is that? That is very, very cool. Kyle, you are the man. That's Curious John. He's watching Kyle work the snowblower. Look at that thing go. Lynn, you should see this thing go.
Maybe he's jealous.
Lynn, you should see it going. Look at it. Look at it. Look at him.
Wow, look at him go.
Look at him.
What
Look at
is
this.
A race?
Look at that. That's so cool.
I'll give him a thumbs up.
Yes.
Thanks, Kyle.
Watch this. Watch the shoot. Watch the shoot. Watch the shoot. Watch the shoot.
Oh yeah, look at Curious John.
Watch the shoot.
I'm looking.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That thing works good.
There's Curious John.
That thing works good. Watch.
Where's our Curious Mr. John? Wait, Bodie's gonna come out.
No, he's not. Look at how deep it is, though. Wowee. Look at that. Look at that. Kyle, you are the man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it deep. You got about 1.5 feet. That's 1.5 feet of snow, easy. Look at that. Look at that. This is an advertisement for a snowblower. Look at that. Look at that. That's living right there. Saving my back. Kyle, God bless you.